burning in a hopeless place. Oh, keep me up. Keep me up. Burn me up. Leave me close. Oh, say and sound.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Chordnificent, and today we are doing the song Lift Me Up by Rihanna. Okay, so for this song I'm going to show you how to play it without a capo, for those of you that don't own a capo. And then I'm going to show you how to play it with a capo, so I'm going to give you like super basic chords. But it's really cheap. If you want to, grow in your guitar playing and you want to be able to play more songs, you should probably just get one. Alright, and then I'm going to show you how to do the finger picking for the advanced players, right? So just stay tuned for that, and I will put chord diagrams everywhere. And if you don't want to watch the whole video, I put timestamps so that you find which part you want to play, and then you just learn that right away. Okay, so first things first, let's do the chords. Alright, so if you want to play it open without the capo, you're going to play it in E major, okay? So the chords that you're going to be using are E major and then A major, and then this should be a B, barring the second fret, and then playing A minor in frets 3 and 4. Alright, but I'll put it up there. And I'm going to show you an alternate way of playing that same chord, which is an open version, which is something that I usually use, but I guess for this song it doesn't really sound right, but if you're gonna pluck, it will sound right. So open, 2, open, 2, 3, open. Again, I will try to put that in the chord diagrams if I find the chord, because this is something that I just made up, right? Anyways, for the verse, of course, the structure of the song is pretty much the same throughout the whole thing. But of course, in the intro, you want to play the finger picking, and then in the verse, you're going to try to strum. So I'm going to show you my basic player strumming pattern, right? Which is, so this is the most basic one. It would be down, 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 and then down, 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 down. So that's down, 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 down. So that's 5 times for each chord, and the chord structure is A, B, and then E major, back to A, right? Alright, and for those of you that are more flexible with their strumming, this is still a beginner player, but so that's down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down. So that's down, up, down, up, down, times 4, because you're playing 4 chords in the bar. Right, so that's it for the beginner player, and then now we're moving on to the easiest chords to play, right? Which are, if you put your capo on 2nd fret, right, and you play G major, and then A minor, right, and then go to D major, and then back to G. So lift me up, bring me close, lift me up, oh, lift me up, burning in a hopeless dream, moving in a home to stay. So it's just gonna be G to A minor, D, back to G, and if you want to strum this, pluck the strings, right? So for G, that's 6 4 3, sorry, 6 3 2 1, 6 4 3 2 1, sorry. And then for A minor, that's 5 4 3 2, and then for D, that's 4 3 2 1, and then back to G, which is 6 4 3 2 1, and A minor 5 4 3 2, and then D 4 3 2 1. So it's just gonna be the same thing. I find this especially useful when you want to sing because it helps you keep the rhythm in check. But yeah, that's it for your intermediate. And same thing if you come here, it's gonna be for A major, it's gonna be 5 4 3 2. When you come to the open chords, 5 4 3 2, and then the B chord is gonna be 5 4 3 2 again, and then for E it's gonna be 6 4 3 2, or you can play 6 5 4 3 2. So, and then back to A, which is 5 4 3 2. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'm sure I've already given you the structure of the chords here. Yeah, so moving on to the advanced player. So the advanced player is what you play in the intro, and if you can also play that for your verse while you're singing, because that's where I think the harp or the violins are stringing. So let me just play the song so that I get a feel of how it's supposed to go. Alright, so the thing with this part is when you play it in E, it's not going to sound exactly the same as the strings, because I doubt that's a guitar playing. If it is, they probably have a capo up the fret, right? So it's going to sound like this. Playing that is for the A, I'm playing, so that's 5 4 3 4 2 1 2 3. Okay, so 5 4 3 4, and then you go to 2 2 1 2 3. All right, and then we move on to the next chord, which is the B, and you play the same thing. And then you go to E major, but this time for E major it's gonna be 6 4 3 4, and then 3 2 3 4. So you're not using the first string, so it's gonna be from strings 6 to 2. Alright, and then back to A, which is again the same as B flat. It's 5 4 3 4 2 1 2 3. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this part. Let me just, I think I'll write it down so that you guys don't get too confused. But A, that is pretty much the whole song, guys. The advanced player is obviously going to incorporate all the parts that we played. So you're gonna play strums on one part, you're gonna pluck one part, and then you're gonna do the alternate plucking for another part. That's just, I guess, the best way to play it. You play according to your level of proficiency. Like if you can sing and pluck, then by all means go ahead. If you can only sing and strum, then cool. On the verse you strum, and then when you're not singing, you do the intro plucking. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy that intro, and if you want to check out more intros, subscribe to the channel and put your notification bells on, because I will be uploading videos regularly on tutorials of new songs. Cheers, see you in the next one.